Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. So today we'll solve find followers count problem. Problem number 1729. What we have given is a followers table that holds the following column: user ID and the follower. User ID with the particular follower ID is the primary key, combination of columns with the unique values for this table. Now this table contains the ID of the user, that is user ID, and the follower in a social media app where the follower follows the user. The follower ID is the ID of the particular follower. Now you have to write a solution that will, for each user, return the number of followers. So for each user ID, we just need to find the number of followers. So how we can find the number of followers? By just counting the number of follower ID. So if the so for a particular user, the follower ID, we have two follower ID. So you can say that two people follow that particular user. You have to return the result table ordered by user ID in ascending order. Let me give you a best illustration using this example. So we have a followers table that hold the two columns for user ID and follower ID. So if you can see over here, we have three unique users, user 0, user 1, and user 2. So in the output, we will return the user ID of 0, 1, and 2. Now, how we calculate this follower count? So if you see that basically for a user with the user ID 0, we have only one follower. Basically. So the follower count will be 1. For first user with the user ID 1, we also have follower ID of 0, means it has only one follower. For the user with the user ID 2, we have two follower ID. That is 0 and 1. So the follower count will be 2. So this is how the output table will look like. We'll have the corresponding user ID and the follower count. How to write this query for the same? So we'll select, first we need to select the user ID. The next thing we have to get the followers count. So how can we get the followers count? So we can just count the follower ID, and that will give us the follower count from followers table. And we need to group by this with user ID because we want it for each user. And also we need to order by, just to sort this result table by user ID in ascending order. So user ID. Yes. There is no requirement of using ASC over here because by default sorting is ascending. If you need to sort in descending, then you need to use DAC. But let's write ASC over here. So when you run this query, okay, so it's resulting wrong count, wrong answer basically. Yeah. So we missed some naming convention. Like here it will be followers count, not follower count. So if you run this again, you can see that our query got accepted. That is our output matches with the expected. That's it. Thank you.